My name's Owen, I'm a PhD student at the University of Bristol. My research is into something that's called computational molecular biology. It sounds like an awful big mouthful. What it is really is we're looking for patterns in the way that cells develop in your body. The reason that we're interested in doing this is because we hope that if we can understand how your cells develop naturally, we might be able to use that to our own advantage to create new medical applications and to create new therapies that we can use to help people with disease or people that have suffered injury. So for instance, one of the applications that might become possible is that simply by taking some skin cells, you can do this by swiping the inside of your mouth, like you may have seen on detective shows on the television. So that's collecting skin cells from the inside of your mouth. And it may be possible in the future to use those cells and reprogram them. That's change their type, so to change them from skin cells into maybe liver cells or heart cells, and then actually in the laboratory to culture these into an organ. So this means that we can actually create an organ that is specific to the patient. So if we use it in transplant, there's no chance of rejection because as far as your body is concerned, it's cells that it has made itself. There's also a chance that some degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, these tend to happen because there's a breakdown in the processes that are taking place in the cells in your brain. And we think that there might be a chance to use these techniques that we're working towards to actually show the cells or to coax the cells back into a state where they're operating normally to combat these sorts of degenerative diseases that we're seeing more and more of. Since I've been quite young, science and maths and problem solving has been something that has appealed to me. I guess that's really what led me into science. I have the opportunity with my job to work on problems that there aren't any known solutions to, and that's kind of quite exhilarating in terms of a work environment. I know that if I concentrate and if I work on the problem that I have in mind, that I might actually be the first person to come up with that solution.